Normalizing kapag ginagawa nating katanggap-tanggap ang hindi dapat. Madalas nating marinig ang salitang normalize sa social media at sa usapan na ngayon. It's often used in a positive light, like normalizing mental health conversations or normalizing body positivity. Sa mga ganitong konteksto, ang ibig sabihin ay ginagawa nating mas bukas at katanggap-tanggap ang mga bagay na dating tabu o kinahihiya. But sometimes, this word is used to make things that are wrong seem acceptable. Minsan, ginagamit ito para i-justify ang mga ugali o choices na lumalayo sa standards ng Diyos. For example, normalizing a toxic relationship or normalizing dishonesty. As Christians, how do we know what to normalize and what to stand against? The answer lies in what God has already established as true and good, the power of acknowledging truth. The Bible teaches us that God has set a clear standard for life, relationships, and behavior. His word is the ultimate truth, and it does not change based on what society deems normal. Sabi nga sa Proverbs 14:12, there is a way that seems right to a man, but its end is the way of death. This verse is a powerful warning. Minsan, ang mga bagay na tinitingnan nating normal o katanggap-tanggap sa mundo ay maaaring magdala sa atin sa maling landas. If we don't rely on God's unchanging truth, we risk accepting what is wrong just because everyone else is doing it. What to normalize as believers? As a follower of Christ, our role is not to conform to the world, but to transform it. We are called to be salt and light. This means we should actively work to normalize what is good and right in God's eyes. Normalize humility. Sa isang mundo na punong-puno ng pride at deflexing, tayo ay tinatawag na maging mapagpakumbaba, na parang si Kristo. Normalize forgiveness. Sa kultura ng paghihiganti at pagbabackstab, tayo ay tinatawag na magpatawad. Kahit mahirap, normalize biblical love. Sa isang mundo na nagpapalit-palit, ang kahulugan ng pag-ibig, tayo ay tinatawag na magpakita ng pagmamahal na pasensyoso, mabait, at hindi makasarili. Ang pag-ibig na nagmumula sa 1 Corinthians chapter 13. Normalize integrity. Sa isang mundo na ang pagiging dishonest ay parang normal na, tayo ay tinatawag na maging tapat sa lahat ng oras. A call to discernment. So the next time you hear someone say, let's normalize this, I take a moment to pause and ask yourself, is this in line with God's word? Does this glorify Him? Our goal is not to be a part of every trend. Our goal is to be a person of truth and integrity, and to normalize the kind of life that truly honors God. This is where we can be a real force for positive change in the world.